Good evening, friends. Happy day to all of you. So, friends, there's big news right now. Up to $10,000 will be going out to eligible low-income households this very month. Senator Bernie Sanders is teaming up with several other Democrats to push for new monthly payments for all Americans. Congress may reinstate expanded monthly benefit checks very soon. Friends, please make sure you watch until the end of this video for the latest new details. I will also be giving away a $75 Walmart gift card 4 days a week. If you would like to enter the giveaways, please make sure you click and like several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the giveaway.
Madam Chair, I rise today in opposition to H.R. 8294, a package of 6 appropriations bills. As we sit here today, inflation is 9.1% above last year, the highest it's been in more than 40 years. Economists recommend American household budget an extra $5,000 this year to cover rising prices. That's over $400 a month. Many families simply can't afford this. Under this administration, prices of everyday goods are skyrocketed. For example, gas prices hit an unprecedented $5 a gallon. Energy services like electricity and natural gas are up 19%. And groceries have increased over 12%, the highest jump since 1979. Americans are paying more for just about everything. The social spending pushed by members on the other side of the aisle is a key driver of today's inflation. Simply put, record high spending by the government means record high prices for the American people. Unfortunately, the bills before us do not reduce.
Senator Bernie Sanders, a progressive independent for Vermont, pushed for the inclusion of a child tax credit extension in the Inflation Reduction Act. It is very clear that American families need more urgent relief than the large package would provide. Democrats in March 2021 passed the American Rescue Plan through the budget reconciliation process, meaning it could be approved with a party line vote in the evenly split Senate. That legislation increased payments for the child tax credit to $3,600 for eligible children under age 6 and $3,000 for children between the ages of 6 and 17. Additionally, the American Rescue Plan revamped how Americans receive the credit. Instead of receiving one lump sum after filing their taxes, millions of Americans received half of their estimated credit in monthly payments of $300 for each child under 6 and $250 for all other eligible children. The popular child tax credit plan, which many compared to the stimulus checks sent out by the federal government during the height of the crisis, expired at the end of last year. Although Democrats hoped to renew the plan through President Biden's Build Back Better Act, that bill faltered. Instead, Democrats now plan to pass the Inflation Reduction Act, and Senator Sanders hoped to amend that legislation to include an extension of the child tax credit. So friends, what are your thoughts on the expansion of these benefits? Please let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. Well, today, Senate Democrats finally passed their signature climate, tax, and healthcare package this afternoon, handing a long-sought victory to President Biden and Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer. In a 51-50 vote, Senate Democrats approved their party line package after an amendment process that spanned more than 15 hours. Democrats fought off most GOP efforts to change their fragile deal, but did make a change just before the bill's final passage that adjusted the corporate minimum tax provisions. Shortly before the bill's final passage, Senator Chuck Schumer said, "After more than a year of hard work, the Senate is making history. The bill will kickstart the era of affordable, clean energy in America. It's a game changer. It's a turning point, and it's been a long time coming." The Senate's passage of the bill caps off more than a year of up and down Democratic Party negotiations And while the package is far smaller than the $3.5 trillion legislation that Democrats originally envisioned, it is larger than many in the party expected just 2 weeks ago. The bill now heads to the House of Representatives. The core of the legislation includes lowering some prescription prices, providing more than $300 billion into climate change and clean energy, and imposing a 15% minimum tax on large corporations, plus a new 1% tax on stock buybacks. The bill also increases IRS enforcement and extends Obamacare subsidies through the 2024 election. Friends, the key word for this video is Alice Lake. If you would like to enter today's Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Alice Lake, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And friends, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. The more videos that you comment on, the greater your chance of winning the Walmart gift card giveaway. And please stay tuned because in a video later today, I'll be announcing a winner. Senate Democrats' push to pass their climate, tax, and healthcare package hit a speed bump earlier today, as Senate Republicans sought to pursue an amendment with Senate Democrat Kyrsten Sinema to change the legislation's corporate minimum tax. Senate Minority Leader Whip John Thune proposed an amendment that would exempt business owners owned by private equity from the Democrats' new corporate minimum tax, which would be paid for with a one-year extension of a cap on state and local tax deductions. Senator John Thune wanted to roll back a provision that could sweep some private equity companies and the businesses they own into the 15% corporate minimum tax included in the bill. Senator Sinema, along with 6 other Democrats, supported that amendment, leading to its passage. In addition to Senator John Thune's amendment, Democrats' failure to keep a cap on insulin prices on the commercial market in the bill was the most notable fail. Senate Democrats banded together to fend off more than 20 attempts to change the bill. The final bill was carefully negotiated to be able to win support from all 50 members of the Senate Democratic Caucus. So friends, what are your thoughts on the current version of this bill? Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, my amazing and beautiful friends, thank you so very, very much for joining me here this evening. I greatly appreciate all of you who are watching my videos. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.